Imagine a world where cutting-edge AI is powered by your everyday devices, unlocking limitless possibilities while keeping your data private and secure. This isn't just the future, it's happening right now. Stay tuned to discover how this groundbreaking innovation is reshaping the way AI is developed and owned. Please keep in mind, this is not financial advice. This video is only for educational purposes only. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, as stated, welcome back to the channel. We got what is known as a flock. Now, if you guys do not know what flock is, we're going to dive right into their documents, but you guys need to understand that flock is a decentralized AI model training and validation network that democratizes AI development by utilizing federated learning and edge computing. You heard that correct. Now, I also want you guys to understand that flock, they are positioning and they are providing a strong mission. So technically, it focuses on ensuring data privacy, decentralization, and enabling specialized AI models using private data. All right. I also want you guys to understand that, yes, this is cutting edge. We're talking about a cutting edge team from institutions like Oxford University and major funding from globally recognized investors. We got DCG, we got Lightspeed Faction, and many more. All right. Now, if you guys dive down right into the docs, you guys are going to see that they do have some important, let's say, things whenever it comes to their ecosystem. Technically, they got 3 important products. So you guys will see right here, we have what is known as the AI Arena, which enables competitive training for base models using a decentralized compute. Not only that, you guys, we got what is known as FL Alliance. So if we take a look there, you guys need to understand that this facilitates collaborative, privacy-preserving model augmentation, which is actually really cool. All right. And then finally, you guys are going to see that we have another one, which is going to be the AI marketplace, you guys. Okay. So basically, this supports a monetization while maintaining data sovereignty. Okay. Now, a few other important things that I would like to mention, you guys, that it does share real world applications and partnerships. So, for example, with everything that I just mentioned, especially for these products, you guys, we're talking about healthcare. We're talking about, say, glucose prediction, right, which is pretty cool. We even got finance, so on-chain credit scores. We've got specialized training tasks like move coding assistance for Aptos or anime image generation. So I also want you guys to understand, whenever it comes to Flock, it leverages edge computing and federated learning. So the models, they are trained on user devices. So we're actually talking about phones, tablets, and this actually ensures data privacy while utilizing idle computing resources. All right. And then one of the final things that I would like to mention, you guys, is what is known as just-in-time data calling. So whenever it comes to this project, right, their products, there's 3 of them, very important. But I want you guys to understand that it enables real-time secure data requests to improve training efficiency and specialization. All right. So if we actually kind of take a look here at this, say, roadmap, you guys need to understand that we got like computing. So for example, I want you guys to understand that ordinary users participate. They use consumer grade devices to participate in model training and contribute data. All right. So it's just kind of like, let's say if I was to use an OPPO mobile phone to train large models, right? By the way, you guys, I want you guys to understand, we're talking about there is actually a strong support, right? As we say, we got partnerships, but we're talking about DCG. And I want you guys to understand that it has a very, very strong status in the industry. So for example, you guys, okay, this can technically be compared with what is known as Bitensure, which is strongly supported also by DCG. Not only that, you guys, but we got Foundry, which is also a big miner of Flock like Bitensure, right? Which is good, right? Bitensure, all right? Now, Grayscale is listed on Tau ETF, which can be imagined, all right, you guys? So you guys need to understand that this is important, especially going long term. Now, I also want you guys to understand we got some technical advisory from world-renowned researchers like Dr. Yang Yo for enhanced, let's say, edge computing strategies, all right, which is something that I love. All right, so if we take a look here, you guys will see where they do talk about an airdrop. So it allocates over 50 million flocks, so 5% of the total supply to trainers, validators, delegators, and we got model users, right? So, which is good, right? And community partners, all right? Subject to terms and conditions as stated. But you guys will see right here, they talk about the edgeability, which is awesome. Not only that, so for participants in model store, then we even have our participants in the AI arena, as we've already talked about. You guys will even see right here, we have the token allocation. So the overall supply, it is capped at 1 billion tokens, and only the day one unlocked tokens are minted initially, right? With additional tokens minted daily through their management smart contract. The distribution is as follows. So you guys can actually see that, right? So we have community, we got ecosystem, we got investors, team, and advisors, all right? Now, something else that I would like to mention, you guys, all right? So as stated, this is going to be big for retail users, right? As stated, you can become a delegator. We got training nodes. They even got like validators, right? Basically, you can earn rewards for your contribution, right? Which is actually really cool. So I'm going to highly recommend you guys check them out, especially on, say, their channel, okay? But you guys will even see right here that we have this awesome post, all right? So it does state right here that they're excited to announce Flock will be available to trade on what is known as Bybit, okay? And you guys can see that was actually December 31st, right? Which is actually really cool, all right? I want you guys to understand a big opportunity here. I mean, Flock's goal, you guys, is basically bringing AI ownership and governance back to the community, okay? So check it out. Whole bunch of links down below. As stated, dive down into their websites, right? All their other resources, right? The link's going to be down below. I mean, they even have like an introductory YouTube video. So there you guys have it. Flock.io. As stated, this is gaining a massive amount of attention, and there's a lot of potential here. And I imagine a lot of people are going to be joining. I mean, they already got a growing community. So check out the links down below. Smash up that like button, smash up that subscribe button, and leave some comments and let me know, what do you think about Flock.io?